All right, moving on to Tesla. Those shares are up 13% this morning at long last, perhaps for Tesla bulls. The company's going to be going into the S&P 500. That will happen before the open of trading on December 21st. If you look at how big Tesla is right now, it would be, if it entered today, this morning, the 10th largest stock in the S&P 500 by market cap, just after Johnson & Johnson, which is pretty incredible here. And guys, obviously there's been a lot of controversy around Tesla. Is it consistently profitable enough, especially if you look at the numbers on a GAAP basis? Is this a company that deserves to be in the S&P 500? Well, the committee answered the question. They're putting it in there. But I wonder what the trajectory is going to be like. Myles, you want to weigh in on this?
Look, I would just kind of take a line that Charlie O'Shea told us, talking about the retailers. Doesn't relate to Tesla, but he said that, the Walmart story is so great right now that it's becoming boring. And you look at the last couple of quarters for Tesla, the numbers are kind of just regularly good, right? They're selling a few more cars than they expected. The cars are mostly being delivered on time. The company is turning a nice, modest profit. I understand there's a lot of passion, a lot of excitement around the stock. My favorite kind of bear comment from last night was, this was the final catalyst for Tesla. And I don't know if that was made in earnestness or if that was made in jest, but I do think that look, Elon Musk has said it himself. In 2018, when you looked at the stock, you said, boy, there's something wrong here. He said they were close to running out of cash, right? Their financial position was quite weak. Well, now the story is completely different. And I know Elon is very exciting, and we talk about him all the time because he does very Elon-y things. But the Tesla operational story itself is somewhat straightforward. And Sozzi, I think they have a lot of those secular tailwinds that they think they're riding: electrification, ESG, and so on. I think that's kind of all just in place.
Well, for now, Myles, there's no question this company, they really have turned the corner. But at some point, those EV tax credits that have boosted Tesla's bottom line here will wear off. I would also add this. Does S&P 500 inclusion mean that Elon Musk finally tones it down a little bit? Does this mean he's not out there tweeting about potential COVID-19 misinformation? It's unclear. There's a lot more responsibility.
Come on. That's
listen. Hold on. There's a lot. Come on. This is a lot more responsibility here for Elon Musk when you're an S&P 500 company. I would argue the scrutiny only goes up, and now the onus on him is to act like a more regular CEO. He may hate it, but that's the reality. You want to play with the big dogs, you have to be a big dog.
I don't. We're going to continue to debate this. I don't see it happening.